Food waste is a real problem because around 10% of food made available to EU consumers is wasted. At the same time, more than 37 million people cannot afford a quality meal every second day. Worldwide, the amount of food we waste each year could feed 2 billion people. Food waste also has a huge environmental impact, accounting for about 16% of the total greenhouse gas emissions for the EU food system. Well, rigid metal packaging can help through extending product shelf life thanks to metal's superior strength, which reduces waste as a result of packaging damage and transport. Also, in the UK, 70% of food waste happens in the home, and product longevity makes food storage easier to manage. Canning, of course, keeps food and drinks fresher for longer, locking in nutrition and letting people enjoy seasonal products all year round without the wastage risks and energy costs associated with refrigerated long-distance logistics. Of course, it can also help tackle drink waste by making smaller portion sizes sustainable. I read recently that an estimated 800,000 tonnes of drink are disposed of out in UK sinks, and single-serve portions, of course, can help combat this. These benefits are all in addition to the fact that metal is a material that lends itself to truly circular recycling. Metal is easy to recycle and is already being recycled at large scale across Europe, so packaging that is placed in recycling bins is really recycled, or recycling material used again in the manufacture of these products. Yes, they do. Long shelf lives make it less likely for people to lose track of use-by dates and end up throwing food away. Cans are also easy to open and to empty completely, reducing spillages and the amount of food disposed of along with the empty packaging, another environmental one. Rigid metal packaging is ideal for single-use food servings, which helps cut leftover waste. I've seen evidence that using cans can reduce individual food waste by up to 30%, so there's huge untapped potential for can usage to cut waste. Can design has come up a long way in recent years, and we're seeing a lot more exciting, innovative packaging shapes and graphic styles, allowing brands to use the packaging to differentiate their products and establish a premium position in the market. The number of canned wine and cocktails now available is testament to this. There are plans in place to decarbonise the steel manufacturing sector in the years ahead, so the environmental credentials of rigid metal are set to become even more compelling in the future.